How to deposit money to Coinbase. In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to deposit your money on your Coinbase app. So guys, without much of your time, let's dive right into the video. As you can see right here on the screen, this is actually my home page. Now the first step you need to take is to click on the transfer button. You can see that right here on the screen. So once you do that, right here on the screen, you're going to see the option of deposit cash. You can see that right here on the screen. So the next step you need to take is to click on it like this. So right here, you need to input the amount of USDT you want to actually deposit. Here I'm going to input 10 USDT like this. So the next step you need to take is to click on deposits like this. You can either select to use US dollar or USDC, depending on the one you want to actually deposit. So here I'm going to select US dollar like this. So you need to select where you want to actually transfer it from by clicking on transfer from, and you'll be able to see a lot of options right here on the screen, which allows you to deposit the money into your Coinbase app. So right here you can see a lot of options. So if you've not actually linked any of these to your account, you need to go ahead and click on add a payment method. You can see that at the bottom of your screen. So once you do that, you'll be able to add a payment method. Meanwhile, I'm going to select the first option right here because I already have that connected to my Coinbase app. So the next step you need to take is to go ahead and click on deposit $10 more. Since $10 is what I want to actually deposit, you can see that at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to click on deposit now. So once you do that, you'll be able to deposit this amount of money into your Coinbase app. Now for more tutorials like this, do it hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well. If you haven't liked this video yet, do it hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.